With these kind of questions, you want to use compensation to try to solve them in your head. If you're able to solve them in your head, that's a lot quicker. And when you're taking a time test, it's very valuable that you can do it in your head. Worst case scenario, then you have to solve them, and that's going to chew up a lot of the clock. So, first let's talk about compensation. If you look at the two sides, over here you have 33 plus 17, and on this side you have a 40. This side has to equal this side. So I'm looking at that 40 right there, and I can easily make an adjustment here to make that a 40. If I move this 7, take 7 from this, and make that a 40, then that becomes 40, and that becomes 10. That becomes 40, that becomes 10, and there's your answer, 10. Okay, that's the easy way to do it. You have to use compensation. Okay? Now, the harder way to do it is working it out. Alright, so if you want to do it that way and take a ton of time, then you would just have to solve it. So you got 7 plus 3 is 10, carry the 1. You got 5, 50. That means that this side has to equals 50. So what do I have to add to that to make it 50? I have to add 10. Either way will work. One way is going to take you longer than the other. So you just need to practice a little number sense.